Okay, so hello guys, welcome back to another video, and for today's video I'll show you guys 3 skill moves you can do as a midfielder. So these are skills that you can do in tight spaces, which is very crucial as a midfielder. So let's go. Okay, so the first move is the La Croqueta. So the La Croqueta is used by players like Iniesta. So how it's done is basically, say the ball is on my right foot, I'm going to switch it to my left. Okay, when if it's with my left, switch it to the right. So it's a movement from right to left. Okay, yeah, something like that. So this is used if the opponent in midfield, many players are going to press you and they're going to lunge to get the ball for you. So the moment they lunge, you move the ball away to them. So like you move it to avoid them, okay? So I'll show you some highlights, video clips, so that you can visualize it better. So but for now, basically you're dribbling, right? There's a pressure, you move it away from your opponent, okay? Okay, dribble, left to right, okay? Right to left. Okay, so for the second dribbling move that we can do is the drag back, okay? Or it has many different variations. You can call it the L move, V drag, whatever, but more I'll call it the drag back. So basically we will use this time the sole of our foot. So if there's an opponent pressing us, step on the ball, pull it back, and then push with the inside. Okay, so the La Croqueta, it's left to right. This time drag back, so maybe it's suffocating here at the front, so we step on the ball, drag it away backwards, okay, backwards, and then push it with the inside to exit. Okay, so like this, there we go, and then you can move it. So we can do this if our opponent is on our front, to our side, and different angles. Okay, so the player that is famous for doing this is Sergio Busquets. So it's something like this, push, yeah. So here, step on the ball, drag it back, push with the inside. Okay, now for the third and final move is the body feint. Again, so this is a very crucial move. You can do it as a midfielder, winger, whatever. So for the body feint, step, drop of the shoulder, and push with the outside. Okay, so we pretend we're going to the left, but we go to the right, and vice versa. Okay, so you can do this. Say a defender is in front of us, we fake, push 1v1, but what I like with this move is you can also do this if there's an opponent behind you. If there's an opponent behind you, you pretend they can't see the ball. Okay, I'll show it. So when I'm back, facing backward to the goal, you're the defender, this is your perspective, so you can't see the ball, right? And then when I do a fake like this, the defender will follow because they can't see the ball. Fake, and then you can exit. Okay, so very important skill for midfielder. So again, as a midfielder, there is pressure from your front, side, and back. Okay, so we can do different skill moves to get away from pressure. Again, so here, fake, push. Okay, so that's 3 skill moves you can do as a midfielder. Again, for a midfielder, there's a lot of pressure coming from different angles and also very tight space. So these are the 3 best skills that you can do. So again, the first one, La Croqueta. So this is used if the pressure is right in front of you. Next is the drag back. You can do this if the pressure is in front of you, but also if the pressure is coming from the sides. And then the third and last is the body feint. The body feint, you can do it in different angles. You can do it when the pressure is coming from the front, but also it is best to be used if the pressure is coming from behind. Okay, so yeah, so those are the 3 skill moves that you can do as a midfielder. Comment down below which one is your favorite and what do you think you can use the most as a midfielder. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.